Today we are going to be installing this Ecogenix EV charger in my garage at home. We just picked up a 2022 Tesla Model Y, so we need to have a way to home charge it. So what we've done, we've already had an electrician come out and install a 220 volt plug and wire it in my breaker box. So we are all good to go there. Okay, however, looks like everything is still wrapped in its packaging. Got some cord clips, looks like we have some instructions. So basically, I just need to figure out how to mount this to the wall. It does not appear there's a mounting bracket of any sort included. Okay, so what we're doing is this is designed to be a portable charger you can take with you, but I got it solidly plugged in, breakers off. I'm gonna hang it about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark my mounting holes. I'm gonna put the other bracket underneath it just so that it's sturdy, and then I'll rig something up to hang the actual power cord. But this is pretty much what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. I'm not overly thrilled with that, but it's gonna work just fine. So we're gonna set this to charge max of 32 amps. So you hold the button in for 2 seconds, and then you can toggle to change the current. You let it wait 2 seconds. Or you hold it for 2 seconds. All right, right now it's at 40, goes 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32. Hold for 2 seconds. That's pretty much it. You can set the timer, but I'm gonna let the car do all of that. So now the only thing it didn't come with is something to hang the cord with, so I'm going to do that next. I marked my studs from a previous project, but started the first screw. It's going to go there. It comes with the plastic wall anchors if you don't have a stud nearby. This should be good and sturdy. So now the Ecogenix charger comes with a rubber plug to keep keep your actual charging port debris free, or you can use this one. Pretty simple. Alright, charging the car is super easy. Got the plug set, got the charger set up 32 amps. You push the little button on the charger. It opens your charging port. Push it in until the light turns blue. And then in a couple seconds, it'll start flashing green. And that indicates that it's charging correctly. And really, that's it. It's very simple.